Growing food has so many benefits. It provides physical activity, exposure to sunlight, relaxation, lets you concentrate in the present moment, and brings us close to nature. I grew up picking fruits and vegetables from my grandfather's garden. That was my playground as a child. I now see the blessing of growing up like that. It was beautiful. I love that I can go to my garden and, just like when I was a child, pick food, eat it straight from the source, or use it in our meals. The feeling is amazing. My husband and I started with a couple of pots with herbs, then tomatoes, and now we have a large garden. But I don't want to stop there. I want to show people how beautiful and delicious it is to grow your own food. It's also very easy once you know how.